Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you Class 5 English textbook, resource pack and summer pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We will start our lesson from Unit 4, Helping Others. SLOs of this lesson are: read the poem with comprehension and intonation. Enjoy reading the poem. Understand the pieces of advice given in the poem. Develop the good habit of helping others. Develop a sense of sympathy, cooperation, fellow feeling, and kind-heartedness. Increase vocabulary. Highlight the importance of helping others. Emphasize that good people respect each other. Know that good people help each other in solving their problems. Recognize that good people can disagree without hurting each other. Identify that helpful people give each other more chances to change. Now look here on page number 29 of your textbook. We have a poem here about helping others. Helping others in the hour of need is obviously the best deed. If you can do nothing, at least you can pray. It will give them hope and wash tears away. These lines says that we should help each other when people need our help. And this is the best thing we can do for them, because if they need our help and we help them, it will make them happy and they will remember us in their prayer. And this is the least we can do. But if we cannot do anything, we should pray for them. Our prayer will give them hope and wash their tears away. If you can see here, there is a grandma and the child here. This boy here is helping this grandma to cross the road, because you can see there is a stick in her hand. She's blind, having gray hair and the glasses here. She cannot see, she's slow, can't walk like other young people. So this boy here is very happy to help this grandma here, and he's helping him. Now look here. So help others and play your part to gain their prayers and be smart. You will get best wishes and prayers for many at the cost of not even a penny. Don't run for money or fame. Helping others bring fortune and name. What we discussed in these lines: if you help others, you will get best wishes and prayers of many. If you help other people, will pray for you, and it will not cost you a penny, it will not cost you money, it will bring fortune for you if you help others. You should not run after money or fame, after popularity, that you will become popular if you help others. No, help others for the sake of goodness. If you do good anything to anyone or help them, the same thing will happen to you. Someone will help you when you need it the most. Look here, the last lines here. In short, help others with zeal and zest. In front of Allah, you will be the best. Zeal and zest, Josh or Jazba se. And in front of Allah, you will be the best. In the eyes of Allah, Allah will praise you for your good deeds. Allah will always give you reward for your best deed. And you will be great in His eyes. You will be rewarded with something very nice if you do help or do good with other people. And help other with the zeal and zest, with honesty, with good heart, with goodwill. तो बच्चों, इस पोएम में हमने किसके बारे में पढ़ा? दूसरों की मदद करने के बारे में. हमें दूसरों की मदद करनी चाहिए जब दूसरों को हमारी मदद की जरूरत हो, उस टाइम. और ये इससे अच्छी चीज कोई और नहीं हो सकती. अगर आप उनकी मदद नहीं कर सकते, कुछ नहीं कर सकते, तो हमें उनके लिए दुआ करनी चाहिए। हमारी दुआ से, हमारे करेज देने से उनको क्या मिलता है? उम्मीद पैदा होती है और उनके वक्ती तौर पर थोड़ी सी हौसला अफजाई हो जाती है। अच्छे काम करके लोगों के लिए, लोगों की हेल्प करके हम उनसे दुआएं ले सकते हैं, और दुआएं लेने से क्या, हमारी अपनी किस्मत अच्छी हो सकती है। हमें शोहरत के और पैसे के पीछे नहीं भागना चाहिए, बल्कि हमें दूसरों की हेल्प करनी चाहिए, और इसी से हमारी खुशकिस्मती आएगी। और अल्लाह की नज़र में वही बेस्ट है जो दूसरे लोगों की हेल्प करे ऑनेस्टी के साथ, अच्छी नीयत के साथ। यू कैन फाइंड द मीनिंग ऑफ डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स हियर in your word bank on page number 29. We have an exercise of it here on page number 30. The first question here, what should we do when someone is in trouble? हमें क्या करना चाहिए जब कोई मुश्किल में हो? Obviously we should help them. The second one, what should we do if we are unable to help someone? हमें क्या करना चाहिए जब हम किसी की मदद करने के काबिल ना हो? We have discussed this in your poem. What should we do if we can't help them? Yes, we can pray for them. At least it will give them hope. Third one, can hope lessen the suffering of a person? Lessen, कम कर देना. Less से निकला है. Lessen. Sufferings, तकलीफें. क्या हमारी दी हुई उम्मीद किसी की तकलीफों को दूर कर सकती है? बिल्कुल दूर कर सकती है। आप करेज देंगे, उनको उम्मीद दिलाएंगे, तो क्या उनकी तकलीफें जरूर कम होंगी। What reward will we get by helping others? हमें दूसरों की हेल्प करने से क्या मिलेगा? उनकी दुआएं, अच्छी किस्मत और अल्लाह की तरफ से इनाम। इनाम की सूरत में हमारे साथ भी कोई अच्छा करेगा, या हमें अल्लाह कोई ऐसी चीज देगा जिसकी हमें ख्वाहिश हो। The fifth one, how shall we be rewarded by Allah on the day of judgment? On the day of judgment, क़यामत के दिन। क़यामत के दिन हमें अल्लाह ताला अच्छी नेकियों के बदले क्या देगा? अच्छे काम जो हमने किए होंगे। You know that very well. Hope you can answer to that question very easily. The sixth one, who are the people loved by Allah? Yes, the good people. The people who help each other, who love each other. The seventh one, what messages does the poet convey in this poem? शायर जो है, लिखने वाला जिसने पोएम लिखी है, वो इस पोएम के जरिए आपको क्या मैसेज देना चाहता है? Yes, about helping others, we should help each other in the hour of need. When people need our help, we should help them. This is the best thing we can do if we help them. Make sentences of these words here. Obviously, deed, penny, fame, fortune, zest, and zeal. Find the meaning of these words from your dictionary and use them in your sentences. This is your homework from Summer Pack. What you need to do, you have to read this lines here of a poem and answer this question. We also have an activity here. Find any other short poem having rhyming words in it, write that below. Rhyming words are that the words which end with the same sound, like lock, rock. You can see the hear the sound of k, lock, rock, the same sound. This is called the rhyming words. If you know any short poem, you can write it here. Read this poem above and answer these questions, these 5 questions. I hope you will do your homework. Thank you.